What's going on YouTube? BryceCrispy94 here, bringing you another mini painting video. Excuse me. So, today we have an owlbear. And we are not just going to be painting it a normal owlbear. We've already done that. We're going to be making this guy a snowy owlbear. Now, this is a 3D print from, I can never say it, I'm just going to say Yashi Studios. Link will be down below. They do amazing prints. We've done a couple before, I believe. I know we did a bugbear. I have a lot of their stuff printed, which I have a lot of people's stuff printed, but I have a lot of their stuff printed. I really like it. They offer free unsupported versions of all their models, which is super cool that they do that. And then you can get pre-supported models. Pre-supported models for paid. Now this is, I'm trying to think, a $5 or $6 model for the pre-support, and I mean the supports are really nice. I did go ahead and do the pre-support. They do a really good job with their supports, and the model turned out fantastic. Went ahead and primed it with a very light gray primer. You can almost, I mean, you can see some of the resin actually coming through still, but that's okay, because that's how I wanted it. Now, another thing I want to say is, this was the fan-voted model, and if you don't know what that means, it's because you're not in the Discord. So join the Discord, link down below, and I've decided that every month I'm going to do a poll, list 3 different models I have, and see which ones you guys want me to paint. So this was the winner of the first poll, and it was a snowy owlbear, zombie ogre, or don't remember what the third option was, but the owlbear won. So the other 2 models will be up against another one next month. So here's the model, really cool. Set to the side, and let's talk about colors. So I'm going to do the whole thing in gelatinous blue. It's a very light blue, but it's going to do a very nice base coat. Then I'm going to do a layer of dead white over the feathers and the belly, not the claws or the paws or the beak or the ears, but pretty much the majority of it, but less. Then I have some Citadel Uriel Yellow, which is going to be our beak. Yeah, our beak. No, sorry, not our beak. Our eyeballs. Our eyes are going to be painted with that color. Then we have Army Painter Matte Black. We're just going to go in and do the claws and the beak, and then the pupil in the matte black. We have a Flump Pink for the innards of the ears of our little bear. And then finally, we're going to apply a very small amount of shadow wash to the wings, and a little bit to the back. But that's about it for the wash. It shouldn't be too hard of a paint, considering it's mostly one color and there's not a lot of like major detail. It's a very detailed model, but you know, there's not like belts with knives and pouches and potions. It's just a very feathered, furry model. So yeah, that is enough talk. Let's go ahead and get to painting. there you have it, folks. We have the Snowy Owlbear all finished. It is right here on the handle, on a stand. We just spin it around so everybody can see it in all of its Owlbear glory. So, do that. So, originally I was going to do the whole thing in white. Then as I'm painting it, I'm like, man, I really like the textured fur areas to be that kind of cool blue. So like his belly and the inners of his legs, around the face. I think it gave it a very cool look. And then I have the lights off, so there's a bit of a shadow, but at least you guys can actually see the figure instead of it being blinding. I did end up not going with the shadow wash over the feathered parts, because I thought it looked so good white with just the minimum colors that I didn't want to take away from that. So I just added a pale gray wash on the feathers. And I actually ended up liking it, and I really like it on the back because it does kind of make it look not clean. It's clean looking, but also looks like it should. So yeah, super happy with how this came out. Again, Yasha, I can never say it. The link will be in the description below. I will work on pronouncing their name correctly for the next time I paint some of their stuff. But this, again, was the fan-voted mini for this month. If you guys want to vote on the next mini, join the Discord. Link is also down below. We do all sorts of stuff. It's actually where I take my polls to see who wants to be in the one-shots. We do discussions, team building for Pokemon, if anybody's interested in that. We discuss movies and games. It's a small community, but we're growing. It's a good time there. And plus, you get the latest updates on my videos and what's going on in the world of Bryce Crispy YouTube. So, one last look at this beautiful, beautiful Owlbear here. And we're going to wrap this one up. Thank you all for coming. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up and a comment to let me know how I'm doing. Until next time, catch y'all later. Peace.